Here's how to fit a stair runner on a straight staircase. To do this, you will need a tape measure, a staple gun, a safety knife, a bolster, and a rubber mallet. Step 1. Place the runner into position. Once your stairs are prepped with grippers and underlay, roll your stair runner out, starting from the top step. Make sure the runner is central on your stairs, with even spacing at either side. Use your staple gun to secure your runner to the top riser. Step 2. Secure the stair runner. Position your bolster where the riser meets the tread, and use your mallet to tuck the runner into the grippers you installed earlier. Work through this process on each and every step from top to bottom, checking that even spacing has been maintained on either side, and the runner is still central and pull tight. Use your safety knife to trim away any excess on the bottom step, then neaten up the edges using the bolster. Step 3. Finishing touches. Depending on your preference, you can simply leave your runner as is. Here we've opted for a contoured installation, where the runner wraps around each step. Simply pull the runner taut and staple under the nose of the step. Here's the finished look. For an extra sophisticated look, you can also install stair rods. Stair rods can add style and character to a staircase, and with a variety of designs and finishes, they will seamlessly complement any home. You can view our How to Install Stair Rods video on our YouTube channel.